After a sleepless night, the day becomes dull and drugging. You are not you when you don't get a good night's sleep. SpringFit presents the ultimate solution. Bring home the Autograph collection.
See, with the changing lifestyle and high pressure jobs today, people in India do not have enough time to sleep. And now the sleep pattern shows like the time has reduced from the natural 8 hours to 6 to 7 hours. So at SpringFit, we decided let's do something for people wherein with the minimum time you get the maximum sleep, and we came up with the concept of 6 hours of complete sleep. And we wanted to design a mattress which is really comfortable, which not just to sleep on but to your eyes also. So we made one of the most wonderful or one of the most beautiful mattresses in this industry. See, mattresses was always a boring piece in your bedroom. So I, as a designer, came with a concept saying I wanted to make this as one of the interesting piece of art in your room. So I added colors to your mattresses. We conducted this study and we found the products which were available in the market were either too hard or too soft. The problem which we found from the market was like people are looking for comfortable mattress which are accurately correct for them or which are really a perfect fit. So the next challenge was to design a product which is firm and soft at the same time, and to identify the materials with different firmness, different densities. So the main challenge was to arrange the material in a way where your body gets the best support. So while designing this mattress, we were very sure the kind of comfort we wanted to give to our consumer. So we arranged different firmness and different densities of foam in a pattern which gives the optimum comfort level and the best body support to your back. As you can see, there are different layers here. The top layer, which is a memory foam layer, which is a pressure relieving layer. The middle layer, which is a HR convoluted foam, which gives a support. Then we have the sliced natural latex, which keeps the mattress cool and breathable. And the bottom layer is the rebonded foam, which is for the hard firm base for the mattress. So when you sleep on it, your body gets the actual comfort which it needed. So finally we have a product which is topped with a viscose fabric, and we have made a mattress which is going to help you in relieving all your body pains and releasing the body pressure to give the best quality of sleep and the assurance of 6 hours of complete sleep.
At SpringFit, we firmly believe in bringing comfort to your sleep. A thought embedded in all our action. A thought that gives us the strength to grow.